A very good evening, students. After the revision of chapter number 14 statistics, we will start the revision of chapter number 15 probability. This is also the part of statistics. Here we will learn about probability. What is probability? As English word probability, you know, where there is some possibility. Suppose there are clouds, then by looking at the clouds you can say today it might rain, it may rain. Okay, may means you are not sure, you are doubtful कि rain है या नहीं, rain होगी या नहीं होगी. So when we are having chances of anything, as you have given your paper, okay, and you are clear that my all questions are clear and I will get full marks, but sometimes we are sure that we will get full marks, sometimes we are not sure. When there is any chance, we are having doubt on any one question, okay, that time this is probability. Means you can say कि full marks आ भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी. That is the probability whenever we are having a doubt. Probability is denoted by capital P and this lies always between 0 and 1. Means this is always greater than 0 but less than 1. Now, how can we find the probability? To find the probability, firstly we have to know the total number of events occur and the number of events that are in our favor. As whenever you toss a coin, always when we are tossing a coin, we are having two cases. One, either head will come or tail will come. So total number of cases, total number of chances are 2. But we want only one, either we want head or tail. So the number of cases, number of events that is in our favor is 1, and the formula to find probability is number of favorable events. Favorable means that which we want, and divide by total events means total number of cases, total number of chances that are occurring. So probability, suppose we want head, so probability of head is 1 upon 2 because 2 is the total number of chances that will be there and 1 is in our favor. In the same way, probability of a tail is also 1 by 2 because the number of chances, favorable chances is 1 and total is 2. In the same way, on a die, you are playing Ludo. In Ludo there is a dice and on that dice we are having the numbers 1 to 6. So total number of cases in single throw of dice is 6. Then we have to see the number of cases that are in favor. Suppose the question is find the probability of occurring 2. So 2 is occurring only one time. Chances for occurring of 2 is 1. So probability is 1 upon 6. If the question is find the probability of odd numbers. So in a single throw of die, there are 3 odd numbers. What are they? 1, 3, 5. So total cases are 3 and number of favorable cases are 6. So answer is 3 upon 6. After that, a pack of cards. All of you know about the cards. Total 52 cards are there in a pack, and out of that 52 cards, we are having that 52 cards are of two colors, red and black. 26 are of red color and 26 are of black color, and they are divided in 4 suits, that is spade, heart, diamond and club. All are of 13, 13, 13. Okay, so you have to find the probability of any, you can find by using the formula where total are 52 and number of favorable cases are according to your question. So different type of questions we can do by using this formula. As in your exercise, many questions are there, like in a family there are 3 children or 4 children and out of them one is boy, 2 is girl. In some families 1 is girl, 2 are boy. Okay, like this. Some families are having only 3 boys, some having only 3 girls. You have to find the probability, so you can find according to the question. One more thing which you have to keep in mind in this chapter, that is 2 words, at most and at least. These 2 words will come in this chapter. At most. At most means the number which have you given, not more than that. As suppose it is given at most 10. At most 10 means you will not take any number more than 10. Highest number is 10. And whenever it is given at least 10, at least 10 means the not less than 10. You will not take the values less than 10. Okay, least value is 10 and at most means highest value is 10. So this is the main concept of this chapter, and after that you are having the exercise. Only single exercise is there, that is 15.1, and this exercise also contain 13 questions. So you try these questions. Once already you have done, this is the revision, so you again try these questions, and if any doubt, any problem is there, you note down and will discuss with me in tomorrow's Zoom session. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.